Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shiraz, a student at Institute of English Language and Literature Main Campus, University of Sindh. Friends, subscribe my channel with bell icon to get regular updates of grammar into three basic languages, Sindhi, Urdu and English. Friends, we learned parts of sentence and we will also learn 8 kinds of sentence, but I forgot to tell you what sentence itself is. So our today's topic is what is sentence? So what is sentence? Before we begin, we should remember that sentences are very important in our daily life. Through sentences we share our ideas, emotions and feelings. So we should remember that we should not hurt anyone with our sentences. Let's begin. Friends, when we speak, we always use words, and these words collectively make a group. That group gives us complete sense, and we call it group a sentence. So what I said, we use words I plus play plus game, and that group of words gives us complete sense, and that group is called sentence. I play game. So what is sentence? A group of words that gives us complete sense or meaning is called sentence. Let's see some examples. I am a student. All poets are fools, but all fools are not poets. This is a small step of a man, but a giant leap of mankind. Life is like a roller coaster train. So we learned that a group of words that gives us complete sense or meaning is called sentence. As I play game, we learn English. Now friends, what if I say as game play I, English learn we? Friends, this is a group of words, but is it giving us a complete sense or meaning? Can we call this a group sentence? No. Game play I, English learn we, of course, is a group of words, but this group is not giving us a complete sense or meaning. That's why we cannot call it a sentence. So it's a common rule that the structure of sentence is subject, verb and object. So if we will rearrange this group into correct order of subject, verb and object, then it will be I play game, we learn English. Now this is a group of words which is giving us complete sense, and we can call it a sentence. I play game, we learn English is a complete sentence with a complete meaning. I hope friends that you understood what sentence is. A group of words that gives us complete sense or meaning is called sentence. Friends, like the video, share and subscribe with bell icon to get regular updates of grammar. Thanks.